We are demanding that the parties to the NADCO negotiation, which was co-chaired by Kalonzo Musyoka and Chungwa, and the party political affairs secretary of Pio Wandai and minority leader was a member. We demand that the resolutions of NADCO, because we have noticed that there is hesitation on the part of UDA from making sure that NADCO is implemented and the legislation is passed. We continue to support Raila Amolo Odinga as our party leader. And because no vacancy has been announced in the seat of the party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga continues to be the party leader of ODM. As many of that opinion say aye. Aye. While appreciating the work that the party in Siaya has done and in the sub-counties and the branches, we urge the counties, the county coordinating committee and the sub-counties to intensify the recruitment of party members and verification of members. We here resolve that we must have regular meetings of the party.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kilifi ni abikite mihango ya umomori wa nyumba